Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here. So in this video today, I'm going to be giving you SEO secrets for ranking #1 on Google. Now the truth is ranking on Google is hard. It's not like it used to be. It's a lot harder and more competitive than 20 years ago. It takes a lot more effort and a higher level of execution. But nonetheless, I'm going to be giving you my secrets on ranking with Google. So my SEO secrets. So let's get into the video. So you want to focus on one specific niche, right? You want to have a laser target focus and consistently create content. So you want to go in depth. So for example, you create a dating blog. You tell people how to create an appealing profile. You give them the best dating apps. You give them walkthroughs, the pros and cons to the particular apps, personal experiences, and how to strike up good conversation, etc. So you really want to create content that leaves your audience, satisfied with the information. So they're not asking any other questions. So it's basically you want to be able to satisfy all the needs and inquiries of your audience, right? So you want to basically be firing in all angles in that one specific niche, right? That's the key here. You want to laser target your specific demographic and then create content that appeals to them that's within that specific niche. So my second tip is optimizing your keywords in your title tag and meta description. Now I'm going to show you an example of that shortly. So keyword relevancy is crucial. So for example, if you look up how to lose weight through juicing, you're searching for a specific way to lose weight, and we'll go through an article that is using both your relevant keyword search term and content that's relevant to that keyword as well. So for instance, I've just searched up how to lose weight through juicing, and you can see Google has populated me some search results. Now, as you can see, the title tag right here is this part, and the metadata description is this part right below. So as you can see, both the title tag and metadata description, they both use the relevant keyword, which would be juicing, right? Or juice, right? They all have the relevant keyword. And you can see it for each and every single article below. They all do the same thing, right? They have the word juicing. And my last secret is really no secret at all. It's quality content. Content is king. You want to have an educational content that is helpful to your audience. So something you've put a lot of thought into writing. The last thing you want people to do is come onto your blog or website and then quickly leave your site because of poor quality content. This will hurt your ranking, right? So the old saying is true, content is king, and content is what's going to make you thrive, right? So you don't want to just string up a whole bunch of keywords together because people are searching for them. You want to make your article or website flow, right? You want to thoroughly go through each and every single theme and topic within that specific niche and just satisfy your audience and answer, their inquiries and their grievances, right? So these are my SEO secrets for ranking #1 on Google. I hope you found it helpful. If you have, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.